Hey y'all, it's Fit Jamaican Girl. I just wanted to come on to let you guys know. I don't know, like for most of the Jamaicans and the European people that follow Freelance Chucky, sorry for the noise, I'm in Miami. But for the people that follow Freelance Chucky, I just learned about 20 minutes ago that Freelance Chucky has passed away from a motorcycle accident. Um, I'm in shock, really. I mean, I don't even believe it. So, yeah, I don't know what happened with Akanka if she's back in DC or what. I didn't see her post any videos as of late. But there's another guy that's been posting Chucky's content because him and Simon had that disagreement. So Freelance Simon, moved to Bali with Lisa. So sorry, there's a plane passing by. So Simon moved to Bali after him and Chucky had that mix up. Akanka was there recording Chucky's content, but she hasn't been posting anything lately. So this other guy that's been posting Chucky's content announced that Chucky passed away from a motorcycle accident today, about 20 minutes ago. And then you remember Rasta Anthony, the Barracuda guy that dives a Barracuda and cooks, that has that house that Simon was staying. He also passed away. He was murdered right by his gate. They tried to rob him and they shot him in the head. So we lost Rasta Anthony and we lost Chucky within, I'm assuming, days of each other. So that's kind of shocking, very, very sad. I don't know if you guys have ever tuned into Chucky. Freelance Chucky is like the chillest guy ever. It wouldn't hurt a fly. Really liked his content. A lot of people that were going through depression and stuff, them watch Chucky. They chill out and do them little smoke and thing or whatever. So I just wanted everybody to know, if you never know, say Freelance Chucky dead and Rasta Anthony dead. So my condolences. So their families. It's really a sad day, sad YouTube day, because you kind of feel like you know these people. You know what I'm saying? You watch your video and you kind of feel like you're connected to them in some sort of way. So we feel it for Chucky. That's a great loss for YouTube and for the world, really. Got good energy from what we saw. So respect to the Rasta man. Rest in peace. If I hear anything further, I'll let you guys know. And I'm going to drop in some video with Freelance Chucky and Anthony so we can reminisce. Yeah, man. So everybody bless up. Fit Jamaican Girl coming to you from backyard in Miami. Pure nice. Sorry. Blessed love. The bird them a chirp. And car a pass, plane a pass, every damn thing. So give thanks. Bless up. Yeah, man.
Chucky, Wagwan.
Yeah, I'm just talking to this telephone love all the while,
Telephone love?
Yes, I always have some people talking to me on this telephone, who want to come to my place, So I will see,
Yeah, man.
coming up sharply, and invite the people here, And I told her when she come, I will take care, and he's a good guy,
Yeah,
I don't
true.
let down people,
True.
No, I'd never do that, I always put out 100% for guests in Jamaica. Yes, they can buy that ticket on me. So once you're in Jamaica and you see Chucky, the problem, if you have any, it's finished. Yeah.
True.
I'm a straight up freelance guy, Don't really worry about the money and see tourists because of money. No, I'm not that type of character, No, I'm a man of love, a man to help, but not help to really give with one hand and take back with the next hand. No, I'm not that type of person. I just help from an open heart, Yeah, man, with love, man.
Love.
Rastafari, man. Yeah, man. You see, the heavy rain in the mountain for a couple of days, the river get fast and wash away the place, but now it's going down back nice and calm, right?
Yeah.
So we soon can go for a swim, and maybe a couple of days we can go and get the busso and organize this busso cooking. And I will show you how me grew up as a little boy when I used to go up by the river with Auntie and catch busso and dig sand. That's the only survival these people know, and that's how me grow up, you know.
Nice.
Yep.
Yeah, Chucky and me, we're planning on a very special party.
Port Anthony, freelance right now.
Freelance,
you know? Check
right.
out Port Anthony and come back, right?
Yes, and I even have I found one.
Yeah, that's good. But keep banana get it full.
Yeah, soon we're gonna chop down that banana, right?
Yeah.
The tree is already bending. Freelance ride! Woohoo! Yeah, man. Best supermarket. Peter's variety.
Freelance style.
Freelance style.
Back now at Petal Supermarket and leave the bike here, and then we go uptown and check out uptown, right?
Yeah, man. Chuck and me, we're just at the market now. Buying some veggies.
Yeah, but I'm gonna say.
Overcast. Yeah. And Rasta Chucky is making some fried plantain.
Yeah.
For breakfast.
Yeah. Yes.
Nice.
Some fried plantain, you know?
Nice, nice.
So when you split it like this, now you put it inside, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And you fry a little bit. You use this. You take it back out to the fork.
And then you press them.
And then you press it.
Double fry.
Double fry.
Yes.
And they get a little crust on it, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Me know it. I did it myself already once.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Alright.
Alright.
You know what's going on.
Yes, man. I know it. I know the thing. And now, Rasta, Chucky and me, we're gonna watch the last video. I just finished editing it. Right here. Nice.
Blessed love. One love.
Pressing time, guys.
Yeah. Press it to make it get a little crisp, you know?
Yes.
That's when you eat it, it's so fucking nice, you know? You remember my place and have to come again, you know?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Then fry it up again. Double fry plantain. It's the best breakfast here in Jamaica.
Yeah. Plantain. Highly blessed.
Having some fried plantain for breakfast out of a calabash bowl. They're very hard. And Rasta Chucky just told me the first people that came here to Jamaica, that was their normal plates and bowls. They used it for everything. Calabash.
You just pick it from a tree, you know?
Yeah, you can just pick it from the tree, cut it in half, and then you dry it, right? And then it's done. Easy. I'm leaving Chucky's yard, heading into Port Antonio to get some groceries.
One is getting there slowly, so you know you put in this one now for the fish.
Nice.
Yes. That's how I cook.
Yeah, that's gonna be delicious.
Yes. Very peppery, very tasty, and ready, you know. And see the fish there? Have it soaking right now underneath. Peppers, onion, tomatoes, scallion, onion, everything tasty.
Super nice.
Yes. So that is what we're doing, right? You are the chef, I am the chef. I see you was frying fish out there, Simon.
Yeah, man.
And that is nice.
I
Yeah,
like
man.
cooking.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
See? Smelly. Ready to eat.
Yeah, man.
I'm getting hungry though.
Me too.
I'm going to organize myself now to start to cook. I have some fish to fry, have some rice and peas to make, so it's going to take me a while, but I want to get everything together and then I just run through it so fast and quick. That's a far line. I'm looking for my machete, man, but I know I put it down somewhere, so I have to run around and look till I find it. So I'm just looking around for the machete. This is late. I have to go.
Yeah, you have to go.
Yes. So when you throw it in the water, if the current is going down the sea, the back will turn around and you can know. And if the current is going up the sea,